was really shocking for me because it was confirmation of what I was suspecting. Because I didn't know for sure.
Okay.
And I didn't know this, though.
Wow. So this was the first time?
Yeah. So it was the first time.
Wow.
And she said she didn't want to tell me because she wanted me to live a normal life. And I thought to myself, so I was deprived of a normal life because of that.
Mm. Do you want us to just take a break?
I asked, at that point in time, I didn't know what kind of human being I was with. Any good memories, any issues.